Good morning, everybody. Client has asked me for yet another feature, so here we go. Today we're going to be building a survey that has unique links for every single person that sends out the survey. So essentially we're going to have to build a survey within HighLevel and then use affiliates to be able to track people who submit that survey. So let's get started. Okay, first things first, we need to build out the survey. So we're going to come over here to Survey Builder. We're going to add a survey. Let's see if we can find a good looking template for this survey. Let's see here. We're going to use this client hosts a conference called PodCon. This is a conference meant for podcast hosts and podcast guests, those who like to do podcasting. So I think what I'm going to do actually is just build this and then let the client do any kind of prettying up that they want to do. So, okay, first things first, we need to put in here name and email and phone number. Okay, let's see if the terms and conditions are on here as well. Yep. Okay. Oh, and it already added it for me. By default, this does not have A2P on this account yet, so we're going to go ahead and just take that out to make things a little bit easier. Okay, so next slide is going to be a single line survey. The label for this is going to be, are you a, oh, you know what, actually, this is a checkbox. Are you a podcast guest, host, or both? And this actually needs to be a radio button. I'm so funny here. I keep thinking about all these things. So, all right, here we go. So, are you a podcast host, guest, or both? Option 1, this is going to be required. Come on, let me change the fields. No. Options. Here we go. Option 1 is going to be podcast host, podcast guest, both. Okay, and then the next question, if you went to a PodCon event, what would be the top 2 things you'd expect to see? Okay, so we're going to put this as a multi-line and just let people fill it in. Okay, so super simple. We're going to take I'm going to move this up. Name, required, email, phone. Let's go ahead and get rid of that part. We're going to make this required as well. Okay, that's required. We need to make this one required. Very simple survey. We're going to call this PodCon seating survey, and then we're going to hit save. Let's take a look at what this looks like real quick. Cool. Let's add an image to the top of this. Let's just put a little bit of branding on it. There we go. Image. I'm going to have to find the image. Okay, found the client's assets and got that image in there for them. So we're going to go ahead and hit save. And then let's go ahead and preview this again real quick. Let's just make sure this looks okay. Perfect. Okay, this looks good. So now what we're going to do is, the next thing is to create an affiliate for this. So make sure that this is saved. Now we're going to create an affiliate campaign for this. So we're going to go into marketing, affiliate manager, and campaigns. We're going to add a new campaign. This is going to be for a survey. Next, we're going to pay per lead, flat amount of $0, but we want to just track them. Okay, so there we go. Additional settings, that's totally fine. Okay, finish, publish now. Now all I need to do, and I need to rename this. Okay, now all I need to do is add affiliates to this, and it is going to give me a unique link for every single affiliate. So we're gonna tell the client they need to come in here and just add all of their new affiliates, and then when they're creating their new affiliates, add them to this, and it will give them a unique link for every single person. Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop it in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe for more. And if you would like to get started using HighLevel, go ahead and click the link below to get 2 weeks for free, and we'll see you next time.